Welcome to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into a skincare essential that stands out among the rest. This is the best Waxelene you can get your hands on, the Waxelene Multi-Purpose Ointment, Organic, Value Pack of 4. Whether you're battling dry skin, cracked heels, irritated cuticles, or even more persistent conditions like eczema or psoriasis, this little jar of gold delivers results you'll feel from the very first use. Now let's get into why this is not just another bomb on the shelf. Waxelene has crafted a formula rooted in natural, organic goodness. It's completely petroleum-free and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for everyone, from babies to adults, and even pets. Instead of harsh chemicals, it uses USDA-certified organic ingredients including soy oil, beeswax, natural vitamin E oil, and rosemary oil. Each component is chosen for its ability to nourish, protect, and heal the skin without clogging pores or causing irritation. One of the standout features of this product is its patented aeration process. This isn't just marketing lingo. It actually results in a silky smooth texture that glides onto the skin effortlessly. It forms a breathable, protective barrier that seals in moisture while still allowing your skin to function naturally. That's a big win over traditional petroleum-based ointments, which can suffocate the skin. Application is easy. Just take a small amount, warm it between your fingers, and gently massage it into the skin. A little goes a long way, and you'll immediately notice how lightweight yet nourishing it feels. It absorbs well, leaving no greasy residue, and gets to work right away on restoring hydration and calm to distressed skin. But Waxelene isn't just for dry patches or skin issues. This multi-purpose ointment has over 100 potential uses. Use it as a makeup remover, a lip balm, a baby diaper balm, or even for protecting tattoos. It's also handy for athletes dealing with chafing, pet paw care, and so much more. It truly earns its place as a household staple. Because you're getting a value pack of 4, it's perfect for keeping one at home, one in your bag, one in the car, and maybe even one at work. And since it's made by a small business with a commitment to quality and sustainability, supporting this brand also means supporting ethical and responsible skincare. To wrap it up, the Waxelene Multi-Purpose Ointment delivers on every promise. It's organic, effective, versatile, and safe for all skin types. If you're ready to switch to a petroleum-free moisturizer that actually works, this is the best Waxelene out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product breakdowns. Until next time, stay moisturized and stay curious.